a serene residential area, a homeowner sought to elevate their property's security and aesthetic appeal. A2z Canopies stepped in with a solution. A bespoke white GRP cantilever canopy, tailored to fit the home's unique features. The process began with a virtual assessment, utilizing digital tools and photographs to examine the property's suitability. Key challenges included a high brick wall and a boiler flue that needed rerouting to ensure safety and maintain the design's integrity. The installation of the sleek white GRP canopy transformed the driveway, providing a robust shield against car crime while seamlessly blending with the home's exterior. This addition was not just about security, it was a statement of style, achieved without a hitch in a single day, ensuring minimal disruption. With a 10-year guarantee, the homeowner gained not just an immediate solution, but long-term peace of mind. A2z Canopies delivered a product that was both practical and aesthetically pleasing, reflecting their expertise in creating solutions that cater to homeowners' specific needs. The result? A safer, more stylish driveway that enhances both the property's value and the homeowner's sense of security.